Hello friends, now we are in Hatta and I'm just taking a video in here. So this is very scary and this is my second experience. So in the second experience I want to also share to you. Tata. I'll show you, and now everyone was disturbing me because of my backslide, and now I think now everybody, my dad is taking pictures and my mom is seeing the view, and I'm walking. I'm not doing it like that. Look, you wanna see? Look. Wait, 1 minute.
Back camera off.